gotta leave me now. You got to go alone.
Alright, now I'm going to work on this one. And I dare use the glitz. There's other glitz paper in here too. Let's dap her down. But it goes with it. Oh, look at how lovely. How pretty. I probably should do more. Yeah, that's so pretty. Okay, my camera just died right when I was saying how I used to use fabric tack all the time. And I quit, I think because it was so expensive or something, I don't know. Maybe it wasn't working here. It could be the climate. I'm going to bring this down. I just watched a girl on YouTube this morning. You know how it comes up on the side, all the suggested? She did before and after, or like using Dollar Tree makeup. I don't know how she made herself look so pretty, but she was not that... She was kind of impressed with it, actually. She said, not the brushes. Don't use the brushes. But, okay, but you know what? That's a lot of makeup to wear every day. I don't know. Like, okay, this is going to sound really mean. But let's say you meet somebody and you got all this makeup on, fake eyelashes, you know, the whole 9 yards. You don't even look like yourself. And then you meet somebody and you know, say, okay, let's date or whatever. And then, you know, what happens when they wake up and, you know, you ain't looking the same no more? I mean, how does that work? Because they look like models or like Kardashians when they got all the makeup on, but then when they take it off, it's like, you know, nothing close to what they look like. So I don't get how that works. I don't know how any of this works. Remember that commercial with a Geico? When that old lady, the old ladies, I'm an old lady. They were doing Facebook. And the one lady goes, that's not how that works. That's not how any of this works. That's my niece's and mine and Scrubby's favorite line. Well, at least hers and mine. You know, I say that. Okay, now what am I going to do? Oh, this is really turning out cute. This is really turning out, not to break, but I mean, this paper is just, you cannot do it wrong. And then I put this down, right? So, I'm going to do the taggies. Oh, I love this. What is that? Oh, I love that paper. All right, there goes glitz. For another 10 years, we'll never see it again. I might keep this handy, though. All right, I'll turn it off and go back.
You gotta leave me now. You got to go alone. You gotta chase a dream.